10 castor oil beauty benefits for skin and hair. Castor oil is from the seeds of the castor plant. It's either colorless or has a very pale color, and actually, it has a very bad smell. This oil has been used to help on the skin and hair for many years. Today, castor oil is used as a main ingredient in lots of beauty care products. The main reason it's helpful is because it's full of ricinoleic acid. Ricinoleic acid is an unsaturated omega-9 fatty acid and a hydroxy acid that lessens swellings and kills bacteria. Castor oil is also full of vitamin E, minerals, proteins, and other nutrients that are helpful to skin and hair. To get the most help from castor oil, always use organic castor oil. It should be cold pressed and pure virgin castor oil. Before you use the castor oil on your skin, try it out on a small patch of skin to make sure you're not allergic to it. But then, before we get started, remember to smash that like button and ring the notification bell to keep up to date with our future videos. Have you done that? Now let's move on. Number 1. Reduces wrinkles. Because castor oil is a natural moisturizer, it can lessen the signs of crow's feet, wrinkles, and fine lines. Castor oil can get into the layers of the skin easily, and so it does not clog the pores. In fact, it can reach deep into the skin to give it nutrients. It can also weaken signs of blemishes and scars on the skin. To use, gently rub a few drops of castor oil into your skin in a circle motion every night before going to sleep. Do this for at least 4 to 6 months to get the look you want. Number 2. Promotes hair growth. Castor oil is also very good for your hair. It helps to deeply condition your hair and thicken the hair strands. This will leave you with a beautiful and shiny head of thicker hair. This is because the ricinoleic acid in it helps even out the acid level of the scalp. This lessens the risk of dandruff, split ends, and hair breakage. Rub warm castor oil into your roots, scalp, and hair before going to bed. Wash it off in the morning and do this 2 times a week. Number 3. Thickens eyebrows and eyelashes. Because castor oil is a follicle stimulating and nourishing oil, it can help you if you're trying to thicken your eyebrows and eyelashes. Castor oil has protein, vitamins, and fatty acids that feed the hair follicles with nutrients and help the hair grow. Dip a cotton swab in castor oil and rub it into your eyebrows every night before you go to bed. Keep doing this until your eyebrows reach a thickness you like. Number 4. Nourishes dry skin. Castor oil is a great lotion for dry skin. Because it can get so deep into the skin, it is great for treating dry, flaky skin patches. Because castor oil has so much fatty acid, it helps the skin stay healthy and glowing, and helps with skin conditions like dermatitis, which can cause very rough, dry skin. Castor oil also helps to make elastin and collagen, which helps push off aging signs and keeps your skin looking young. Mix an even amount of castor oil and coconut oil and rub it into the area of dry skin. Wait 20 to 30 minutes and then take a shower. Do this every day. Number 5. Treats brittle and cracked nails. This thick oil is also good for treating weak and cracked nails. The different vitamins and minerals in castor oil help the nails grow and make them strong. Also, because of its antifungal properties, it lessens the risk of fungal infection. Put a drop of pure castor oil on each nail and rub it onto your nails for a minute. Do this every day before going to bed. Number 6. Softens calluses. Because castor oil is such a thick oil, it is a great moisturizer. It helps soften calluses by treating the dry, rough skin. When put on the hurt area, it helps build up the moisture and add softness. It is also helpful for treating corns and dry and cracked heels. Number 7. Prevents stretch marks. When used during pregnancy, castor oil can stop stretch marks from forming. It works as a humectant, helping your skin keep in moisture and keep elasticity. Also, the fatty acids in it help the skin create tissues to better the skin's strength and texture. Number 8. Soothes sunburn. Because castor oil is very soothing and helps bring down swelling, it is very good for treating sunburns. There is nucleic acid in it will protect any blisters from sunburns. Castor oil is also good for treating hyperpigmentation and can clear the skin of spots and marks. Note, when using castor oil, be careful not to get it in your eyes. Number 9. Repairs split ends. To control split ends, it's very important to deeply condition your hair. It helps bring in moisture and betters the overall health of your hair. Castor oil is indeed a good choice for deep conditioning. Put a few drops of warm castor oil straight onto the ends of your hair. Wait for 30 minutes, then shampoo your hair just like you usually do. Number 10. Heals chapped lips. If you have dark and chapped lips, castor oil is very helpful. Because it is a thick lotion, it keeps the lips moisturized and properly nourished. It can help treat chapped lips and stop them from getting chapped. It will also keep your lips soft and pink. It's actually used in some commercial lip care products. Did you enjoy this video? Let us know in the comment section below. If you liked it, make sure to click the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe and also share with your friends.